5 things to take care of always if you're suffering from chronic pain. First, avoid cold drafts, avoid cold winds always. 2, bring in heat and warmth in a general way, but also to the localized area. Ensure that it is not inflammation. We are talking about chronic pain here. Third, avoid dryness inducing foods, potatoes, roots, dals except moong. Yeah, always ensure that you are sauteing, steaming, some amount of processing of vegetables and foods, right? Avoid raw foods that are dryness inducing. Fourth, rest and restfulness. Cultivate rest and a restfulness in your body and being. 5, for pain alleviation, breath is key. Working with your breath, longer exhalation is key. Reach out to me if you want a regular yoga healing practice that will take care of your pain.